Hello again. I'm going to be drawing a bowl of fruits. It was a picture that I had. I'm not sure. I just sketch things and then I come back and sketch them again. So I'll post this in the corner so you can see it better. I believe it's peaches, pears. I don't know. So I've got my 2H, and then I have my Fluid 100 8x8 watercolor paper, hard press finish. I like the smooth finish when I'm using the gouache to paint with. So I'm going to start with the top of the bowl. Make it a little bit bigger than what I sketched out earlier. Normally I've been doing animals, but I also like bowls of fruit. And for some reason I like bowls with blue and white pattern. I don't know why. I think that one comes in front. I guess they're peaches. I don't know, but then my painting I sketched, they're a little bit of a yellow. Looks like butt right there. I don't like that. Oh, I see what I did. I made the indentation, then I add the curve. One on top. That one has a stem, and then a third one, it kind of looks off balance. Maybe I'll bring it in a little bit. Looks a little big. I'm trying to draw light so you won't see it. I'm not used to that because usually I'm trying to make sure the kids can see all my lines when I'm drawing, and I want to make sure you see them. This one looks odd. Okay, this one's in front. This one needs to be more round on top. I think that's what it is. Okay. Looks a little off balance, but I can change the bowl instead of having to rework the fruits. Okay, and the back of the bowl. Okay, I think I've got it. This one I think has the the pattern, there's a line here, and I don't know what these shapes are. They're very funny looking. So I may just wait and paint those on top because I'm afraid if I draw them out that I may not be able to paint them. Okay, so I'm gonna get my paints and I'll meet you right back here. Okay, so colors. I've got for the blue design, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to go with the Persian blue or the cobalt blue, maybe a mixture of two. I like the bright, but I picture dark, so we'll see. For the peaches, I did permanent orange and Juan Brilliant. So depending on the light and darks of our peaches, mixing white just to add with the peaches, and then a different brand. I actually have just a Michaels brand is the gray, so I'll use the mixing white to lighten that up for the shadow. So I noticed, I don't know what those orange. I may need to switch to my smaller brush. It's a little dark. Don't want it too dark. I just wanted a shade. You can see that I made it to, you can see a very dark line, so I just washed my brush off and just went back and blended it with a clean brush. See if you've ever noticed that it's too dark on one, like it's just a very clean, not a blend. Wash it off and blend it in with the colors already there. Go from next, because this is white paper, either I'm going to have to add a background, or I'm going to use a light gray wash to separate the white bowl from the paper. So I'm going to take a little water, take a little white, a little gray. Don't want it. A lot of water. So move to my smaller brush, figure out the color blue. It's a mixture of both. Okay, the shape is, I'm gonna do the first one in the middle. Kind of a point. Weird little thing, and then it kind of goes out. Another one. Point at the bottom. Right before that line. I'm trying to use my brush to make the points. bowl here. And it has a dot and dot. So I'm going to take the back of my brush. See if this gives me that dot. 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 See? Just rub it off because you'll get it paint everywhere. Another way you could have done this is a colored pencil or something that you could draw with instead of me trying to paint it. But wonkiness is okay. Okay, so, oh, I forgot the blue line. Shadow, so I'm going to make it much darker than the background. Make it as thick, still kind of watery because I don't. On the inside of the bowl. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and I may add a few details with my colored pencils.